Welcome to the Car Ideas channel. There is an insatiable thirst in the sports car world for the ultimate in performance, and the ZR1 is certainly that in the Corvette lineup. It's at the very top. Times have changed since car and driver dubbed the first ZR1 the Corvette from hell back in 1990, but those three characters still carry a heavy burden. The 2025 Corvette C8 ZR1 shoulders at load proficiently with 1064 horsepower emanating from its mid-mounted twin-turbo V8 and a finely honed chassis. The ZR1 is the first factory turbocharged Corvette in history, and its output figure represents the most power ever from a factory Corvette and the most powerful V8 ever produced in America from an auto manufacturer. The ultimate expression of power and prestige with a potent twin turbocharged 5.5 liters V8 engine and edge-to-edge aerodynamics. ZR1 can attack any road both fast and strong. LT7 5.5 liters DOC V8 engine twin turbo with flat-plane crankshaft, 8,000 RPM redline. 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the pinnacle of power. See how the twin turbocharged engine helps ZR1 achieve its performance goals. The way the horsepower builds, with that constant torque, feels like you're strapped to an aircraft carrier. You're getting fired off in a jet plane. Aerodynamics. ZR1 takes it beyond. Cutting-edge design like wide side air inlets, carbon fiber elements, and a multitude of airflow and cooling features result in the ZR1 having the highest downforce of any production Corvette. Flow-through hood and ground effects. The new intercooler with flow-through hood and spoiler helps cool turbocharged air to extract airflow. The front splitter, paired with an underwing and smooth underbody, helps generate suction under the vehicle to maximize downforce and reduce drag. Side inlets. Large side air inlets feature signature carbon fiber wishbone bezels. This, paired with the new rear brake cooling ducts, allow for additional engine cooling while maximizing air intake. Available ZR1 carbon fiber aero package. The potent carbon fiber wing, underbody strakes, and carbon fiber dive planes work together to produce the highest downforce of any production Corvette in history. Design. Power is boldly conveyed in the body design with stunning smooth lines and alluring geometry. Inside, everything caters to you, from the driver-centric cockpit to the excellent material quality and bespoke options. Split rear window and hatch intakes. One of the most unique and recognizable Corvette attributes now features ventilation and a louvered spine for increased engine bay cooling, integrating form and function. This is paired with new carbon fiber hatch intakes to draw in colder air for improved engine performance. New available 10-spoke visible carbon fiber wheel, designed with a known strength of carbon fiber to reduce section width and mass and improve aerodynamics. Covered underbody. A smooth underbody minimizes drag and reduces turbulence underneath ZR1 and also helps to engage downforce. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. I thank you very much.